want to pepper that watermelon again. Well, the Tannerite failed to ignite, but the 308 did. Oh God! There ain't nothing left. Whew. I gotta clean my GoPro. Wow! All right, ladies and gentlemen, watermelon juice everywhere. That was some good ass watermelon though. There's our enemy. His name is Pineapple, and he is delicious. I'm scared. I'm scared because Pineapple is a sneaky one. Pineapple, dodge the bullet. I did that intentionally. Oh. Wow. Fucked that pineapple up, didn't it? Damn, that smells good, man. That smells real good. I want to open it up. Y'all ready to open it up? You ready? This is going straight through it. Wow. Not dirty. It's good. How dare he's eating pineapple guts. I don't eat much pineapple. But it sure is good. The cannibalism of the pineapple. Tell the other pineapples what you saw here. Execution style, okay? Real good. I gotta finish them off. I think he's dead. I haven't shot this gun in a while. So, my Tannerite didn't ignite, like I said earlier. I hope I caught that damn thing exploding on video. I love my Glock. Oh, well, gotta fix that. Hang on. Hang on, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So even Glock is not, you know, the best in the world. Another one. I'll pop the shit out of that motherfucker though. Alright, let's fix this. What the hell is that? Look at that. Y'all see that? How the fuck did that happen? Weird. Hang on, I'm getting it. I've never had that happen before. That's the first time for everything, I suppose. But I haven't shot these mags in a very long time. My back is itching like a bitch. God damn. Look at that hole in that dirt. I mean, 9mm gonna fuck you up. I mean, that's just the way it is. But at the same time, I'm just having fun. Oh crap. Another one? God damn it. Another fucking fade of fire and feed. I thought Glocks were better than this, y'all. Where'd that damn cartridge go? There it is. These things ain't worth a fuck. It could be that watermelon juice may have gotten in there. I don't know. All I know is I'm trying to kill that bottle over there that I've shot like 10 times already. Another one. Fuck me, mate. Another one. Oh, that one didn't. Now it's fucking out. I'm gonna have to clean this gun. Thanks you guys for watching. Sorry the Tannerite didn't blow up. I know. Somebody's gonna say, well, if you put it in the smaller container, it probably would have. I put it in those big containers before. I never had a problem. This is the first time I've ever had a problem with Tannerite not going off. Look, he's dead. Dead pineapple. Joe, just want to say this, man. 9mm to a human torso isn't going to do what it just did to some pineapples and watermelon and cantaloupe or whatever. But I promise you, 9mm is sufficient to get the job done if you need it. It's so fucking hot. Y'all have a good day. I gotta go get cleaned up. Bye.